In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details to an invoice in Xero. By the end, your invoices will clearly show how customers can pay you right where they expect to find it. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to the sales area. This is your hub for everything you send to customers. From there, open Invoices to see your list of drafts, awaiting approvals, and paid invoices. We're only using an invoice to reach the template settings, so you can pick any one from the list. Selecting an existing invoice won't change the invoice itself at this point. It just gives us a quick path into the right settings. Once the invoice is open, look toward the top right corner for the three dots menu. Click that to reveal more options for this invoice. In that menu, choose Invoice Settings. This takes you to the place where you manage the look, layout, and default text for your invoices. Inside Invoice Settings, you'll see your branding theme or themes. This is important because your bank details live inside the template text. Find the theme you actually use on your invoices. Open its options menu, then choose Edit. If you use multiple themes, make sure you're editing the one that's applied to your invoices. Otherwise, your changes won't appear where you expect. In the editor, locate the Terms and Payment Advice section. This is where you'll type the bank account information you want customers to use. Keep it clear and complete. A good format includes your account name, account number, and the local details your bank requires, such as sort code, BSB, or routing number. If you accept international payments, add the IBAN and SWIFT BIC. You can also include a short note like, please quote the invoice number as the payment reference, to help with reconciliation later. Keep the wording professional and concise so it fits neatly on the invoice. When you're happy with the wording, click Save. Your changes are now stored in the branding theme. That means any invoice using this theme will display your bank details automatically. It's a good idea to preview or download a PDF of an invoice that uses this template to confirm the formatting looks clean and nothing is cut off. If something needs a tweak, return to the same place and adjust the text. That's it. You went to Sales, opened Invoices, selected an invoice, say use the three dots to reach an invoice settings, opened Options, clicked Edit, added your bank details in Terms and Payment Advice, and saved your changes. With that, your customers will see exactly how to pay you every time.